I'm out here today at a very fun place. Let's just say there's a lot of extraterrestrial activity that goes on here. Say hello to my little friend over here. Roswell, New Mexico. Now we saw some more on the way. At some business out here have these wood carved aliens right out front. This one's got a much more elongated head than I'm used to seeing. Oh, it's another alien. Oh.
I think it's like fiberglass. Oh yeah? Like
alien everything
UFO
here.
museum over here. Alien invasion t-shirts and more.
That looks cool.
Oh my god.
I was like, maybe we can drive by Area 1 and it said, oh, it looks like a Capitol kind of. That little UFO. Invasion station.
UFO McDonald's.
They're like known for that. It's a UFO McDonald's.
Look, they made it a UFO. Big old Dunkin' Donuts alien. Yep. Make your reservations. Cool.
Do your nails. I'll open up for you. I'm like, oh, okay. Like I got lucky. Like there's no wait. I thought I was gonna have. Yeah, but then I mean. Oh, there's like nobody here though. Is it open?
Stopped off right over here. There you go, off Highway I-40. And there is a sort of Indian reservation, I believe. I'll put the information right there of where this place is or what it's called. Well, let's take a look. Now, just the sheer size of this thing is completely amazing, with all kinds of little wildlife creatures up at the top. And some paintings over here that have been a little deteriorated, gone to time. And they got some shops down here below. Well, fast forward, it's the next morning. We had to do quite a bit of driving. We are currently over 250 miles out from Roswell, where you last saw, but we are currently in Williams, Arizona. Roughly about 40 miles west of Flagstaff. We're staying at this Motel 6 right across the street from me. We have this statue right here, a memorial to World War II, with some placards reminding you of some of the people that fought in the war. And they also have some pennies left for respect. Believe it or not, there was this ship called the USS Arizona that fought World War II. And they actually have a piece of it here for you to see. It's actually brought here to Williams as a piece of remembrance and to kind of just honor the fallen. In just a ways over there from those monuments, we have another statue of William Shirley Williams, which I can only assume is the man that this town is named after. From what I was reading here, he was something of a mountain man of sorts. It says right here he was born in North Carolina and spent most of his life kind of just running through the terrain of the wilderness and living off the fruits that Mother Earth provides. As great as these monuments are, and I do pay my respects to those that fought in World War II, I actually came here to see this 1940s gas station right here on good old Route 66. Oh, I think I failed to mention that I was staying right off Route 66. This restored gas station goes by the name the Route 66 Museum and Gift Shop. From what I was seeing online, it was actually named after a guy named Pete. It was called Pete's Route 66 Museum and Gift Shop, but I don't see Pete's name anywhere. Right on top of the sign, got a little miniature vehicle up there. Just posted welcoming all that pass by. These restored gas pumps here are looking a lot more vibrant than I've ever seen of a gas pump of this age. These are very clean looking. This right here, I can only assume, is a old gasoline storage container pulled by a horse, is what it looks like up front. We have a whole bunch of other gas pumps here. One from Union 66, Poly regular gas, Mobile gas, and Sky Chief gasoline there. All of these pumps restored to their former glory. I mean, just look at how clean these things look. Here's another old vehicle. I can only assume pulled some gasoline right there in the back. Now obviously now we have 18-wheelers that pulled some pretty big tanks of gasoline, but I don't think people were using gasoline as much as they were today. Opening here at 9 a.m. I may not have time to be here to actually see everything, but we can see what we can see from the outside. Got a few gift shop items. Of course, this is a gift shop, so they do have Route 66 memorabilia and other arts, crafts, and things for you to purchase. You can see in there all kinds of Route 66 memorabilia. And believe it or not, there's actually still some solid chunks of snow over here, which is kind of unbelievable. It is cold, but it's not that cold. I don't want to go over there and risk slipping or backing up too far, but there's a tire inflator. Good old tire air pump right there for you. Never seen one like it. There's that Poly Premium brand there again. Motor oil container there for you. If anybody remembers that, let me know down in the comments. Got some t-shirts in here, of course, and some Route 66 signage. And I cannot stress enough how maintained and clean and squeaky this place is. Now, crazy enough, I got lucky to be staying at that Route 66, and I had no idea that we would be staying next to this. When I drove in last night, they had some neon signs and things on. I wish I would have gotten video. I was very tired. We've been driving for a long time. But I'm so glad that I can just stroll right on over right before we head out on our trip to Vegas. And right next to this glorious gas station, they have a teepee. Look at that. And right next to the teepee, we have a old, I'm gonna guess 1930s vehicle right here with something of a skeleton man in the back. Look at that. Oh, looks like he might be a prisoner on his way to the old pokey. Was just getting ready to head back, and I noticed this. One thing that's very common in these parts is petrified wood, and boy, is that one big piece of it. Now, the saying goes that if you take petrified wood from its original location, take it with you as a souvenir, it could actually bring bad luck, or so they say. So it's better to not risk it at all and just leave it where it's at. I'd say it's probably be playing it safe. But it's time to say goodbye to this glorious gas station, this old Texaco here, and keep on trekking. Now, I did say we will be heading to Vegas, and I do have a surprise video coming on later about what we are doing exactly in Vegas. Give me a like on the video. It lets me know I should be making more videos like this. And if you want to be even more generous, hit the subscribe button to see all the other videos I make. But with that being said, have a good day.